In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best welding positioners available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the welding positioners list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the welding positioners mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, 10 kg Mini Semi-Automatic Rotary Welding Positioner Turntable. This welding positioner offers precise control and ease of use with its semi-automatic rotary design. The 10 kg capacity makes it suitable for various welding tasks. The turntable tilts from 0 to 90 degrees, providing flexibility for annular welding projects. Equipped with a reliable 3-jaw lathe chuck, this positioner ensures a secure grip during welding operations. Number 4, HD 10 Small Welding Turntable Rotator Mini Welding Positioner Turntable Table. The HD 10 Small Welding Turntable is a compact yet powerful solution for welding tasks. With a 65 mm chuck and the capability to operate on both 220V and 110V power, this turntable rotator offers versatility. Its 10 kg capacity makes it suitable for a range of applications. Whether you're working on small-scale projects or need a mini welding positioner, the HD 10 delivers reliable performance. Number 3, 10 kg Rotary Welding Positioner with 65 chuck Turntable Table. This rotary welding positioner is designed for precision and efficiency. Featuring a 65 mm chuck, it ensures a secure hold for various welding tasks. The turntable table allows high positioning accuracy, making it ideal for cutting, grinding, and assembly work. With a 10 kg capacity, this positioner offers a balanced combination of strength and accuracy, catering to diverse industrial needs. Number 2, BWJ 10 Rotary Welding Positioner Welding Turntable 10 kg. The BWJ 10 Rotary Welding Positioner is a reliable welding positioning machine with a 10 kg capacity. Its turntable tilted table is specifically crafted for annular welding projects. The machine ensures accuracy and stability during welding operations, making it a valuable tool for welding professionals. Its design caters to the demands of precision in annular welding tasks, providing a dependable solution for various industrial applications. Number 1, 10 kg Rotary Welding Positioner Turntable Table 110/220V. Claiming the top spot is a versatile 10 kg rotary welding positioner with a turntable table designed for high precision. Compatible with both 110V and 220V power sources, it offers flexibility for different work environments. The positioning accuracy makes it suitable for cutting, grinding, and assembly tasks. This welding positioner is a reliable choice for professionals seeking a robust and accurate tool for their welding projects.